It's morning. You don't believe. I want to take care of this bird. I want to take good care of this bird. I want to keep this bird for me. But I don't know how to take good care of the bird. I don't know. I don't have a learning to give what I can give because her wings is not working. Only the legs is working. No. The wings is okay, but the leg is injured. So I don't know how to take good care of the bird. And later, I call Israel Animal Zoo. I called them, and later, 20 minutes from now, they said they answer me back. They said they were going there 20 minutes, so I must be to ready the bird. Here. Later, the Israel Animal Zoo will come here in my place here in Israel, and they will take this bird out from me. And I put a box for this bird, and then he's ready. So we will be take good care in this area. Israel Animal Zoo. Good. Israel Animal Zoo. And you know what? Here in Israel, they love animals, especially every animal, snake, the same like in the Philippines. So in Tagalog, tumawag ako dun sa Israel Animal Zoo, na sinabi ko nga na may napulot akong post. I find a bird in the street of Israel. He was fighting upper in the sky, and then suddenly he was nahulog siya. So I don't have choice but to take good care of this bird. So ingat ako talaga yung bird na to. So actually hindi siya kumakain ng gatas, hindi siya umiinom ng gatas, hindi siya umiinom ng tubig, pwede pa, hindi siya kumakain ng banana kasi ang kinakain nitong bird na to ay paru-paro. She only eat butterfly and spider and mosquito. We don't have like that here in my place. So I don't have any choice but to give this bird where she belong. Kasi nakipag-away siya nun sa mga ibon. Tapos gulat ako, parang may nahulog na ibon. Tinignan ko, ano yung nahulog? Kasi ito nga, nakita ko nga siya. Tapos siyempre, alam namang pabayaan, mamaya kainin ng mga pusa. So I don't have any choice but to bring this bird in the Israel Animal Zoo. Okay, bye bird, you will go now. I don't want to give this bird, but I don't have any choice. Bye. Baka to kayo. Bye. I love you. I don't want to give, but I don't have any choice. Bye, bird. Bye. Bye. Look, going now. Alina Leket. Bye. Yeah, she go now. The man, he's here. So I need to give the bird. I don't have any choice. Sabi ng lalaki, rare daw tong ibon na to, bihira makita. So even I don't want to give this bird. I don't have any choice because I don't have time to take good care, and I don't know what his food. I don't look. See. So I give it now. No choice.
Can you take the banana?
No, she's the Israel Animal Zoo. I make it vlog.
No problem. Can you please take?
Itong ibon na to, this bird, I'm walking outside this morning, and then I see a bird fall from the sky. And then I look, And I see this bird. And she make fight with the other bird. And during the fight in the sky, he was severe injured in the feet. So it's difficult for this bird to fly. And he go to the plants, and he was what you call this? He was hiding there because she was very afraid to the cat to be eaten. So it's clever bird, look. And I give her a banana, and I give her some milk, and then I use syringe, this one. So later, every 4 hours, I will give this bird a milk every 4 hours. So she will regain her strength. So then I hope this coming days, 2 days, she can fly, and I will give her to fly. So I put this just to make like that, so it won't close, so she have air. See? In Tagalog, kaninang umaga, nakita ko siya na Shalom everyone. Look, I'm going to give a milk for this bird. I see. This one. Open mouth. Open mouth. Shh. Shh. Open mouth. Uy. Kanina pinainom ko na to eh. Open mouth. Say 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 Wait lang. Meron siyang buhok. Okay. Say cheese. Ayaw niya. Wait. Later. Busog na siya eh. Mamaya, papainamin ko siya ulit. Later, okay. It's a milk. I give her milk. Feed this bird. I don't know how to take good care of this bird. Nakagat kasi siya. Kawawa. His wings were broken, and he cannot fly. I feel bad for this bird. Hindi siya makalakad. She cannot walk. She cannot fly. Feel bad for her. Eat. What do you want? Banana o apple? Maatarot banana o papuakets. I don't know how to chew. Difficult to take good care of this bird. bird can talk. Nawak sa kanya. Nakagat kasi. Wait lang ha. Wait lang. How to feed a bird? I don't know how to feed a bird. This one. He make a fighting with the other bird, and then suddenly his wings was being hit and broken. Now he cannot fly anymore. Uy, Sagur, close the mouth, close the beak, close the beak, close it. Is that it? Wawa, hindi siya makalakad. She cannot walk, she cannot fly. Close the beak. Close it. Close. Wawa siya. She is crying now. I don't know how to feed this bird. Close the beep. Nakon, right, that's right. Close it. Ayan, close mo na. Yes, banana. What's your odd banana? Kawawa, She cannot fly, she cannot walk anymore. She need to go to the doctor. Kawawa. What's up? Bye. She don't like milk. Only water. There's she eat little banana. Look the eyes. She make poopoo. A lot of poopoo. Okay, wait. Somebody will take you here. Isn't it? Somebody will come to bring you to the zoo of Israel. You will be taking care there. Okay? Look what she's doing. I'm waiting for the guy to take you there. The guy will come here 20 minutes from now. But I think it's 5 minutes left. So he will come here. The Israel Animal Zoo. He will come here. I want to go outside kasi later he will walk later. Hello! Okay. You want to walk? Bihira lang daw yung ganitong ibon, sabi nung taga Israel Animal Zoo. Bihira. Hindi sila masyado nakakita ng ganitong ibon. Actually, I want to know the gender of this bird, but I'm not expert on bird. Pupo niya to eh. This is her pupo. So, they will come here, okay? Just wait. I want to take picture with this bird before they will take this. They will take this later. See? So, yun na nga. Naibigay ko na yung ibon dun sa Israel Animal Zoo. So I give the bird to the man working in the Israel Animal Zoo. Even I don't want to give this bird, but I don't have any choice because I'm very busy with my work. I have too much work here. I don't have time to take good care of a bird. And I don't know how to take good care of a cuckoo bird. I asked this man from Israel Zoo about this bird, and she said it's a cuckoo bird. And he don't eat a banana. He don't eat a apple. He don't eat a bread. He don't drink a what you call this, milk. He only drink water, and he only eat insects. That's all. And I don't have any choice. I need to give because my employee, she don't want a bird also because it makes a lot of poo-poo. So I don't have any choice. But I like this bird so much. I like this bird. He asked me, this guy, where I find this bird. I said I see fighting in the sky some birds, and then I see suddenly a bird fell on the ground, and I check, what is this bird? And I said, it's a bird. And then at first I am hesitated, nagdadalawang isip ako. I am hesitated to get this bird because I don't have place for the bird. I don't have time. I'm working I have many work here in the house, so I don't have time to take good care of bird. And what else? So I called the Israel Animal Zoo, and she said, okay, we're going to get the bird. Yun, tinawagan ko yung Animal Zoo ng Israel Animal Zoo. Sabi nga nila within 20 minutes darating sila. So they will come. He will come here, the Israel Animal Zoo, that after 20 minutes. So they come here in my place, and I give this guy the bird. And last night I was trying to give the bird a milk every 4 hours, like a baby. But I don't have time because I sleep. So it's not for me. But I love this bird. What can I do? I hope this bird will fly again if he regain his strength. Sana makabalik na yung kanyang lakas. And then I hope for the best for this bird, and he will fly again. He will spread his wings in the sky. So, but the guy, she asked me if I want to get the bird after the bird is okay, if I want to give it back to me. I said no. I want the bird fly. I want to give this bird a freedom to fly. I don't want to keep it with me. I don't want. And then the man, she said, okay. And she said, this bird, you don't eat banana and apple. And you don't eat fruits or vegetable. You don't eat this food. You only eat insects like mosquito, fly, spider. Next time, I will make another, but not this time anymore because I'm very busy. I don't have time to take good care of animals. I have one cat. This is enough for me. So, tatagulugin ko pa ba? Yun nga, naibigay ko na nga yung Ibon, Cuckoo Bird ang pangalan niya. Hindi siya kumakain ng mga prutas, hindi siya kumakain ng mga tinapay, hindi siya umiinom ng gatas, tubig lang at saka insekto katulad ng gagamba, mosquito, flies, ano ba sa Tagalog ng flies? Langaw, yan. Yan lang kinakain niya. Any kind of insects, grasshopper, yan. So, it's a wild animal. I asked this guy, it's a cuckoo bird. He said, this is cuckoo bird and wild bird. You know what? The first time I see that the Israeli zoo is very caring to the animals. And he will take good care of these animals. He said that it's a rare bird. It's a very rare, cuckoo bird is a very rare bird. in Tagalog, bibihirang ibon na makikita. Hindi siya common. This is not a common bird that you can see everywhere. It's different kind of bird. It's cuckoo bird. It's not ordinary bird. It's a very rare bird. So this guy is very happy when I give this bird to him. I miss this bird. Okay, this is for now. If you like my video, please give me a like. If you don't like my content today, you can give me a dislike. It's okay. And if you're not yet subscribed on my channel, please click the subscribe button down below in the right side, the red button down below. There is a subscribe here, and click all so you'll be notified in my updated coming vlog. And please give us a comment. Give me a comment in the comment section down below. There's a comment there. You can ask some question and everything, and suggestion and reaction. And you can also share my channel, this video, in anywhere you want, in the YouTube, in the WhatsApp, in the Messenger, in the Facebook, in your friends. It's okay. So today, this is enough for now, and see you again on my next vlog. Shalom everyone.